دعت الهدايا وحملت الرحال على المطايا عبيدك يا إله الناس غاو وليس سواك يمنحني هدايا أتيت وقد توزعت الهدايا وحملت الرحال على المطايا عبيدك يا إله.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Truthfulness and Islamic moral. Truthfulness, Allah has given us many wonderful gifts. Tongue is one of them. It is wonderful to be able to speak. But we should see that everything we speak is true. Allah does not like the liars. Allah's Messenger ﷺ has said, "Be truthful, truthfulness leads to piety, and piety leads to paradise." If a man holds to truth and prays it, he will be recorded with Allah as a truthful man. Be aware of lying, for lying leads to weakness, and weakness leads to hell. If a man lies and prays it will be recorded with Allah as a liar. A Muslim therefore speaks the truth. The truthful man is respected, he draws the confidence of others. A lying person is shunned and hated. No one can have confidence in a person who tells lie. When a man lies, he drops out a very bad smell in the air. Devils descend upon every sinful liar. Types of truthfulness. Truthfulness may be classified into three types: truthfulness of speech, the truthfulness of action, the truthfulness of intention. The truthfulness of speech. Allah's Messenger ﷺ is recorded to have said, "A hypocrite has three traits. When he talks, he lies. When he makes a promise, he breaks it. When he is entrusted with something, he deceives." The Prophet hated falsehood. He was prepared to accept believers as messengers or cowards, but he refused to regard a liar a Muslim, as there are various types of truthfulness. There are different types of lies. Some may tell a lie to amuse others. This is a josico lie. Allah's Messenger ﷺ has said, "Woe to him who tells lies just to make people laugh." A man speaks a word merely to abuse other, and he is thrown into the farthest place on its account. Calumny. Calumny is a type of injurious lie that Islam forbids. A calumny is a lie that harms a person's good names. It defames the honor and deeds of people. Means jokes and April fooling are yet other types of lie. April Fool has no place in Islam. It is forbidden. Sometimes truth is twice by telling only a part of it. This often happens in newscast and commercial advertisement. Islam argues to listen to with the wide awake heart and look into it with seeing eyes. But falsehood is not bad. There are times when lying does more good than harm. The Prophet ﷺ said, "He is not a liar who makes peace between two persons, saying what is wise or adding something good." Truthfulness of action. Dishonesty is the most weakened type of falsehood. Allah says, "Give full measure and be not of those who measure short weight with the true balance. And do not perturb people of their due, and do not go about causing mischiefs. He who deceives us is not one of us." Once Allah's Messenger ﷺ came upon a stack of grain. His conscience was coarse. He inserted his hand into it, and his finger touched something wet. "What is this, O merchant?" said he. The merchant replied, "It is been affected by the rain." "Then why did not you put it on top of the stack so that people could see it? He who deceives us is not one of us. This sheep has a defect." Once Umar bin al-Khattab saw a man had watered down his milk for sale. He pushed him by destroying it. Once he ordered a man beaten 100 strokes for forging a government sale. Once Imam Abu Hanifa, the famous jurist, gave away in a charity a large sum of money gained by the sale of clothes, which contained a defect. The Muslims of early times were very truthful and honest. They never concealed the defect of what they sold. When Ibn Siran sold a sheep, he told the buyer, "I want to bring one thing to your notice. This sheep has defect. It kicks the fodder. Fed of the one who steals. It is unlawful, haram for a Muslim to take wrongfully even a stick without the permission of its owner. A hadith has been it by him in whose hands is my soul. If we appoint a man to a task which Allah has charged us and takes anything wrongfully at all, then surely he will carry it on his neck on the day of resurrection. Regard if it is a camel lowing, if a cow, and bleating a goat. Then he raised his hand towards heaven and said, O Allah, have I spoken all right? O Allah, have I spoken all right? There are men called Karak who look after the family and the belonging of the Prophet. The man died, and Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, He is in a hellfire. When the people went to look at him, they discovered a cloak of poisons he had stolen from the spoil of war. B. Truthfulness of intention. It is the right intention that signifies our work, our joys and our sorrow. Action are but by intention. Every man shall have but which he intend. Though actions and intention may be hidden from men, but not from Allah. Those who work hard and spend their energies hypocritically will be sorrow disappointed on the day of judgment. They will realize that all their supposed good deeds have been rendered worthless. It comes in a hadith that the first of the three to fuel the fire of the hell will be a warrior who fights, struggles, and killed so that people may say he is generous and brave. Then a scholar who studied, read, and teaches the Quran, but so that the people may call him a scholar and a reciter of the Quran. Then a rich man who gave alms and gifts to the people, may he so that he is generous and open-handed. All these men will be dragged alone on their faces and cast into the hellfire, because their actions were not really intended for Allah's sake, but were merely to make a show and win a name. What a terrifying hadith. It is said to Abu Huraira that hadith had such an effect on him that he fainted while narrating it. Therefore, always speak the truth, avoid the lie, late bring an unkind remark about others. The blood, property, and the honor of a Muslim must be inviolable haram to every another Muslim. Do not bear each other's hidden failing. If anyone tries to uncover the naked of his brother, Allah will uncover his own naked. Keep together and do not spread brotherhood is the world's greatest need today.